Welcome to Better Than Your Husband Handyman Services. We offer professional, reliable, and high-impact home transformations. From tackling your honey-do lists to creating custom backyard retreats, we believe in providing honest work, fair prices, and getting the job done right. Let's face it, that to-do list has likely been neglected for a while. Whether it's a TV mount, drywall repair, or assembling furniture, finding a reliable person to help is often the hardest part. It's time to stop waiting, stop worrying, and stop trying to do it yourself. Meet the ultimate worry-free solution for your home. Our business was born from a simple idea, providing better work and better service than the standard, unreliable experience. We bring professionalism and a sense of humor to every project we take on. Compare the average handyman experience with the Better Than Your Husband standard. We prioritize clear communication, arriving on time, maintaining a clean workspace, and providing transparent, fair pricing without any hidden fees. We offer a comprehensive property value ecosystem. Our services range from general repairs and TV mounting to creating custom projects, enhancing your outdoor living spaces, and assisting realtors and investors with market-ready property turnarounds. Our interior services are designed to eliminate DIY stress. We specialize in professional TV mounting with concealed wiring, expert drywall repair and texture matching, and detailed carpentry work to handle those exact finishing touches in your home. Looking to add character to your space? We design and craft bespoke custom builds, including architectural accent walls like shiplap and board and batten, as well as personalized man caves, she sheds, and custom cabinetry or shelving. We also extend our work outdoors to create high-impact retreats. From heavy timber pergolas and durable decks to landscape lighting and custom garden water features, we help make your home the envy of the block. For realtors and investors, time is money. We act as your structural co-pilot, prioritizing your inspection reports and punch lists to ensure you hit your deadlines and close on your properties quickly and smoothly. The results speak for themselves. We take pride in our work and offer a satisfaction guarantee because we are not done until you are happy with the transformation. Home improvement should be stress-free. You can dream big and pay comfortably over time with our flexible financing options. Approval is quick, with no hidden fees or complex jargon involved. Ready to get started? We are committed to being on time, every time. Call or text us today to tackle your list and finally get those projects completed.